So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Lenovo IdeaPad Legion Pro 5.7. So guys, open any browsers to Google search box to like that, type as it is same, just go to first link which is pcsupport.lenovo.com. This is officially website. Okay, then go to this URL. Then guys, you can see this is the first automatic update the driver. Just click to download now. After you detect system or automatically detect your required driver, and then you just single click to install it. Okay, then just second is the guys manual. If you have to facing some issues and you have to install the separate driver, just click to select the driver. Then you can see this is the all driver you can see here. Just okay, and the first, then guys, Bluetooth select, and then you can see this is a Bluetooth driver. This is latest driver. Okay, you can see here, and then click to download. This is 4 MB file shortly downloaded. After downloaded, just single click and then click to yes. Okay, then I accept, then next, select the install, then next. Now this you can see this is installing. First extract, then installed. Okay, it will complete it. After that you restart your system. Okay, and then click finished.